Sanibona Zamani Zulu Nation. Welcome to another episode of Learn Zulu Every Day. Today we've got another African storybook story, and it's about isimo sezulu, ukuthi izulu linjani, ukuthi libalele, noma liyabanda, noma liyana, izulu le, the weather. So incwadi, the book, ehlahla isimo sezulu. So the book that talks about isimo, the situation sort of thing, sezulu, of the weather, what the weather's like. Okay, so sibona intombi isolwandle, yabona ukhona amakakasi, intombi idla ice cream, khona nelanga, ilanga libalele, kushuthi kuyashisa. Mhlambe, maybe, intombi iseThekwini, Durban, idla ice cream ka Milky Lane, ice cream lika Milky Lane noma ice cream lika Wimpy, uhamba olwandle, uthola i-tan, kuba mnandi nje. Uyabona naye ugqoka izibuko, ugqoka nophaqa, or sandals, or flip-flops, because when you walk they go paqa, 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 paqa. So usisi lo ugqoka ophaqa, nazo-ke. Libalele. So the weather, izulu libalele. It's or the sun at least, either the sun or the Zulu, ilanga libalele, izulu libalele, it's hot. So sibona le ntombi ihamba olwandle, on the beach, khona nolwandle, the sea, amakakasi, ilanga, khona izinyoni ezinhlanu, izinyoni lezi ziyandiza. Ilanga, it's a day, ilanga elihle kakhulu. Okay, lapha izulu, the weather, liyashisa. Nayo intombi le ihlala phansi kwesihlahla, khona isihlahla lapha ngaphezulu, uhlala emthunzini, in the shade, isihlahla, ngoba ilanga liyashisa, libalele. Linomoya, umoya. Umoya is just air or wind. So linomoya, there is wind. Linomoya kakhulu, yabona lo umuthi, the tree. Umuthi uyagoba kakhulu ngoba umoya unamandla kakhulu lo moya. Yabona intombi sibamba inwele ngoba umoya unamandla nje, uyamshaya kanje uthi ubamba inwele, azo-ke. Likuqubele, it's cloudy. Yabona le ntombi izama ukuthinta amafu. Yabona likuqubele, it's cloudy, khona amafu, clouds. Le ntombi izama ukuthinta amafu. Liyabanda, it's cold. Intombi ayiphathanga i-jacket, lutho. Intombi ayiphathanga ijazi noma i-jacket. Manje intombi iyagodola, ngoba izulu liyabanda. So you can't say ngiyabanda. That's just a no-no in Zulu. You can't say I'm cold. It means I'm offish, frigid. Liyabanda, it is cold. The same with shisa. Liyashisa, it is cold. Not ngiyashisa. Don't say ngiyashisa. Okay. Liyana, it's raining. Manje intombi iphethe isambulela, angithi ivula isambulela ngoba liyana manje. Intombi isolwandle. She's at the sea. Olwandle at the sea liyana. Intombi iphatha isambulela elikhulu ngoba liyana lina kakhulu. Liyaduma. I think the word for lightning is like liyabaneka or something. Not sure. Ask a Zulu friend. Ask a Zulu friend and comment below if you find out the answer. I think it's something like liyabaneka. But liyaduma. Duma is the thunder part. Laduma. You'll hear people shout in soccer. Laduma. That was meaning, here we go. Like it was crazy. Hey, look what happened. A goal. So liyaduma. It is thundering. Angithi lentombi izwa ukuduma lokho. It's du. Ukuduma. Du. Azok. And tying into the colors lesson from a few days ago. Intombi, the girl says, ngibona utsingo lwenkosazana. The rainbow, lwenkosazana, of the inkosazana. I'm going to mention in the other lesson, utsingo lwenkosazana, sort of a folklore of inkosazana being a spirit or a being that would walk from river to river, but across utsingo, across the rainbow. I don't know if the rainbow was made by her or if she just walked across it. I don't know. Again, ask a Zulu friend and comment with the word for lightning and the story of the rainbow. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Cela ni like, ni subscribe, ningithinte ku Facebook. Sizobonana kusasa tomorrow. Salani kahle.